Number 1. 1955 Ford Custom Line. Price: $9,800. Location: Fair Oaks, California, USA. This 1955 Ford Custom Line is a standout classic that captures the unmistakable charm of 1950s American automotive design. Finished in a bold black exterior with a matching black interior, this vehicle delivers a strong vintage presence that turns heads wherever it goes. The styling reflects a true old-school look, enhanced by unique state police lettering on the rear, giving it an authentic retro law enforcement vibe that is both rare and eye-catching. One of its most distinctive features is the inclusion of 3 old-school roof lights that mount on top of the car, further reinforcing its classic police-inspired character. With 88,000 miles on the odometer, this custom line has clearly lived a life, yet it remains in good overall condition and continues to run and drive. According to previous information, the car is believed to be powered by a 292 V8 engine paired with a single-barrel carburetor and an automatic transmission. While the seller is not a classic car expert, the vehicle is offered transparently and exactly as seen, making it an honest opportunity for enthusiasts. This Ford Custom Line is an excellent entry point into the classic car world without a high price tag. Ideal as a weekend cruiser, a fun project to personalize, a parade car, or simply a cool vintage ride to enjoy, it offers character, history, and undeniable style. With a clean title and no known major damage, this classic Ford is ready for its next owner to enjoy and restore further if desired. Number 2. 1970 Chevrolet Monte Carlo. Price: $25,000. Location: Kuna, Idaho, USA. This 1970 Chevrolet Monte Carlo is a powerful and stylish classic that represents the golden age of American personal luxury coupes. Finished in black with a tan interior, this car offers a strong visual presence paired with a comfortable and spacious cabin. With approximately 79,000 miles, it has been well preserved and remains in solid overall condition. Under the hood sits a 400 V8 engine, upgraded with an Edelbrock electronic 4-barrel carburetor. The engine starts easily, runs strong, and shifts smoothly through the automatic transmission, delivering plenty of power. A new Flowmaster 2-inch exhaust system runs from the heads all the way back, providing an aggressive yet refined sound. The body is clean and straight, with only minimal surface rust around the rear window trim, a common issue on vinyl-top cars of this era. All panels align properly, and the paint still presents well. The interior is in decent condition, showing some wear on the driver's seat but remaining very usable and comfortable. All windows roll down properly. This Monte Carlo rides on high-value spoke wheels, known to be worth around $3,000, with good tires installed. The car has not been cut for hydraulics, leaving options open for customization. With a clean title and optional delivery available, this is a strong example of a classic Monte Carlo with both style and performance. Number 3. 1971 Cadillac Eldorado Convertible. Price: $10,000. Location: Los Angeles, California, USA. This 1971 Cadillac Eldorado convertible is a true symbol of classic American luxury, offering bold design, comfort, and presence. Finished in black with a matching black interior, this full-size convertible delivers timeless elegance and unmistakable Cadillac style. With only 38,000 miles on the odometer, it presents an attractive opportunity for collectors or enthusiasts. The car is equipped with air shocks on both the front and rear, allowing for an adjustable stance and smooth cruising experience. It runs and drives, though it does require motor mounts, making it ideal for someone looking for a manageable classic car project. The body retains its classic proportions, and the convertible layout adds to its desirability, especially for weekend cruising or restoration into a show-worthy vehicle. The interior maintains its original luxury feel, offering spacious seating and classic Cadillac comfort. This Eldorado comes with a clean title and is fully paid off, simplifying the purchase process. Priced to sell quickly, it is being offered as is and needs to be sold ASAP. Whether you are looking to restore, lightly refurbish, or simply enjoy a vintage Cadillac convertible, this 1971 Eldorado represents excellent value and potential in today's classic car market. Number 4. 1963 Lincoln Continental Black Label Sedan 4D. Price: $72,500. Location: Los Angeles, California, USA. This 1963 Lincoln Continental Black Label sedan is a truly iconic custom classic with celebrity recognition. Famously known as Chumley's Lincoln from the TV show Pawn Stars, this vehicle has since undergone extensive upgrades and refinements, making it both unique and highly desirable. The car now features a modern 6.2 LS engine swap, providing reliable power and improved drivability while maintaining its classic presence. A Resto air conditioning system has been installed for modern comfort, along with a full chop-and-block suspension setup using copper hard lines for a clean and professional finish. The interior has been completely redone, offering a fresh, luxurious feel that complements the car's bold exterior. The original spoke wheels seen on the show were replaced due to rust and upgraded to Colorado Custom extended spoke replica wheels, paired with near-new tires. A new radiator has also been recently installed. With only 1,000 miles since completion, this Continental is more than just a classic. It is a professionally built custom car with history, style, and performance. Clean title, excellent condition, and unmatched presence make this Lincoln a standout investment and showpiece. Number 5. 1955 Chevrolet Classic Sedan. Price: $36,000. Location: Suisun City, California, USA. This 1955 Chevrolet Classic Sedan is a beautifully built restomod that blends iconic 1950s styling with modern performance upgrades. With just 25,000 miles since build, this vehicle offers a clean, rust-free body and a strong mechanical foundation. Power comes from a mild 383-stroker engine paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission and stock rear end. The car is equipped with four-wheel disc brakes, rack and pinion steering, and a digital dash, delivering improved handling, safety, and drivability. A new exhaust system completes the performance setup. Inside, the car features a black leather interior that adds a modern, upscale touch while maintaining classic appeal. The interior is clean and well-finished, making it comfortable for cruising or long drives. While the car does not have air conditioning, its mechanical reliability and build quality more than make up for it. This Chevrolet is located near San Francisco and is offered at a firm price. It is ideal for collectors or enthusiasts seeking a turnkey classic with tasteful upgrades and strong street performance. Number 6. 1958 Cadillac Series 62. Price: $32,500. Location: Fairfield, California, USA. This 1958 Cadillac Series 62 is a stunning example of mid-century American luxury and design. Finished in black with a white interior, this classic Cadillac features dramatic styling, iconic chrome accents, and unmistakable road presence. With 75,976 miles, the car remains in good overall condition and has clearly been well cared for. The engine runs strong and performs as expected, making this Cadillac ready to drive and enjoy. The paint is in excellent shape and shines beautifully, while the body is straight and well-aligned. Inside, the interior remains in good condition, offering spacious seating and classic Cadillac comfort. The chrome trim and exterior details are intact, enhancing the car's authentic 1950s character. This Series 62 comes with a clean title and no known major issues. Whether used for weekend cruising, car shows, or as a collectible investment, this Cadillac represents timeless elegance and style from one of the most celebrated automotive eras. Number 7. 1954 Ford Victoria Hardtop. Price: $29,000. Location: Manteca, California, USA. This 1954 Ford Victoria is a true classic two-door hardtop that combines vintage styling with serious performance upgrades. Powered by a 428 Cobra Jet V8 engine and paired with a C6 automatic transmission, this car delivers impressive power while remaining comfortable and street-friendly. The vehicle is equipped with air conditioning, power steering, front disc brakes, an aluminum radiator, and an electric fan, making it far more enjoyable to drive than a stock classic. Additional features include polished American torque wheels, a quality stereo system, functional gauges, and a fully working heater. The interior is well maintained, with nice upholstery and a clean headliner. The paint is not perfect but presents very nicely overall, giving the car strong visual appeal without being over-restored. With a clean title and classic hardtop design, this Ford Victoria is ideal for collectors or enthusiasts seeking a reliable, powerful, and stylish vintage car. Number 8. 1953 Buick Roadmaster. Price, $20,000. Location, Milpitas, California, USA. This 1953 Buick Roadmaster is a solid and elegant classic sedan that reflects Buick's reputation for smooth performance and refined styling. Powered by an inline 8-cylinder engine paired with a 3-speed manual transmission on the column, this car offers an authentic vintage driving experience. The transmission has been recently rebuilt, and the car runs well overall. The exterior features nice paint and beautiful chrome trim, which remains a standout feature of early 1950s Buicks. The interior is also in excellent condition, maintaining its classic charm and comfort. With 75,000 miles, this Roadmaster has been preserved nicely and is ready for cruising, shows, or collection. Its combination of originality, drivability, and timeless design makes it a desirable classic for enthusiasts of early American luxury cars. Number 9. 1965 Ford Ranchero Deluxe. Price, $13,000. Location, Salinas, California, USA. This 1965 Ford Ranchero Deluxe is a unique blend of classic car styling and light utility, making it both practical and collectible. Finished in blue with a matching blue interior, this two-door Ranchero offers a clean and honest presentation. Powered by a 298 cubic inch V8 with a 2-barrel carburetor and paired with a dual-range C4 automatic transmission, the vehicle runs great and delivers dependable performance. Originally assembled in Los Angeles, it retains its classic West Coast heritage. The paint on the passenger area roof shows some fading, and there is a visible dent on the driver's side, but otherwise the vehicle presents very well. With 92,000 miles and only 2 owners, this Ranchero remains a solid driver with character. Clean title, paid off, and free of significant issues, this classic Ranchero is ideal for collectors or anyone seeking a distinctive vintage Ford. Number 10. 1960 Singer Gazelle Convertible, LHD. Price, $11,500. Location, Redwood City, California, USA. This 1960 Singer Gazelle convertible is a rare and charming British classic, often misidentified due to listing limitations. Built by the Roots Group, the same company behind Sunbeam Alpine and Tiger, this factory left-hand drive, US spec convertible is a unique find. Powered by a 4-cylinder engine with a 4-speed manual transmission, the car runs and drives well. It was discovered in original condition in a Palo Alto garage and later rescued and restored by a previous owner. The result is a zero-rust vehicle in very good cosmetic and mechanical condition. The exterior is finished in off-white with a red interior, giving it classic European charm. The car is currently registered in California and comes with a clean title. Extra parts and original as found photos are included. Worldwide shipping is available at the buyer's expense, and inspections are welcome. This Singer Gazelle is an excellent opportunity to own a rare, lightweight, and elegant classic convertible.